Welcome back to Piano with Mr. Wright. Good to see you again. Glad that you've joined us. Today we are going to do a song called Musette, and it is in key of D, and it was in Anna Magdalena's Bach's notebook. I happen to get it. This is one that's from Schirmer, First Lessons in Bach. I'm going to put the, there's different versions of it. I will put a version of it in the link beneath the title of the video. Okay, what I like about this one, it's super fun and upbeat and repeats skills. So the left uses a lot of octaves, so great song for learning this octave technique of using your pinky and your thumb back and forth. Really common in music. So let's just start with that. So this in key of D, so we're in a low D. Here's middle C, here's this D, low D, and an octave below that. And it starts by alternating those two in the left hand, and then it goes to an F sharp. So this little 5-finger melody, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5. Let me do that again. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5. Then it goes back to the octaves in D. And then now 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. And then it repeats all of that again. Okay? Meanwhile, the right hand is, here's middle C, here's D. We're up an octave on this D. And it starts on the A note and a little 5-finger melody. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then the whole hand is going to jump down an octave, a whole octave from here from D to D. And I take that middle finger on the F sharp. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 1. Let me do that again. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 1. Let me do that all from the beginning here. Ready, beginning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3. Then it repeats that, okay? Then later on, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. All right, let me put it together, both hands from the beginning slowly. Here I go. Ready, begin. Okay, and that is a great place to start. And it repeats that, and we're in this octave, and then we're in this octave. D position here, D position here, moving back and forth. Great skill to learn. Now, next we move to an A position. Left hand has these A's jumping around, okay, octaves. Meanwhile, the right hand on a C sharp here, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to stretch, go up to the A with my pinky. 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. I'm going to cross over 4. So I get my thumb here, cross over the 4. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. You could do 2, 1, or it's 4, 1. Either way. So let me do those notes again. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1. Okay? And then it does this little thing a lot like Fur Elise. Fur Elise is this. Right? It has a very similar melody. So fun little deal. E, D sharp, E, D, C sharp, A, G sharp, and then it repeats it. And then this does this little 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. So that's a crossover. 2, 1, 4. And then it goes back exactly to the same as the beginning, okay? Meanwhile, the left hand in that middle section, A, and then it's going to bump down to the E's, octaves and E's, and then finally in the fourth system down, E, E, C sharp, D, E, A, D, C sharp, D, E, boom, and then back to the Ds, okay? All right, we're gonna put that middle section together, just the right hand, right there, right after the repeat sign. Ready, begin, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4. Sorry. Okay, there's the two hands, and eventually you'll put that middle section together. That's right. Etc. And then ba da 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 and then back to the beginning, just like the beginning. Okay, enjoy Musette and take care of each other. Have a great week.